Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone Air along with all of the accessories. We're gonna chat about what's new and walk around beautiful Hawaii, taking some photos and letting you guys know my initial thoughts and reactions on this new phone. Let's get into it. All right, let's turn her on. There's the hello. Now that we're all set up, I'm still shocked at how tiny and thin this little guy is. It feels like nothing in my hand, just like a piece of glass, which is pretty cool. Like, what? Okay, if you haven't had a chance to hold this yet, go to your closest Apple store and pick this up because it doesn't feel real. I also like that it has this shiny on the outsides because then it like feels like a grip in my hand, which I really like. Okay, let's unbox the bumper case and put on my little strap. Now, one thing I like about the crossbody strap is it's actually magnetic. Look at this. Okay, I need to stand up and see what it looks like. It's a little Apple accessory. It's kind of cute. Hold on. I kind of like this a lot. This is going to be fun for taking pictures. And you know what? Exploring Hawaii, I can be hands-free today because I'm wearing it. As you guys have noticed, we have a 48 megapixel Fusion main camera, so it's two cameras in one. And now for the selfie camera, we get a huge upgrade, which is very exciting. So right now I'm shooting 4K at 30 on the front camera. So I can take a horizontal video, but shooting vertically like this. This is an absolute game changer for vlogging, and this is what the camera quality looks like. What do you guys think? I'm loving it so far. It's so much easier to take photos and videos for groups if you can just simply click on that button to take a photo and snap a pic. Now for this camera, we get a 1x zoom and a 2x, and you can zoom all the way to 10x. Today, let's walk around, explore, and take some photos and videos on this, and tonight I'm going to let you guys know what I think. They are really cute. Come on.
And that's not who we've had.
Now this is what the selfie mode camera quality looks like. I'm liking this so far. It looks good. What do you guys think? And this is the back camera. I do miss the 0.5 lens because it's so much easier if you're vlogging yourself on the back camera. But hey, what do you guys think? How does it look? Okay, but the back camera looks so good. I just saw that clip. It's looking really good. It's just a little too close to my face, you know what I mean? Other note, because this phone is so light, it is so easy to vlog with. My arm is not tired at all. I could literally be vlogging all day long. It feels like I'm holding up nothing. So, huge plus. Now, I really love the dual capture mode on this. I feel like it's great to have my like POV shots and fun for sharing with friends and family or even on socials. This is what I just shot and I'm sending it to my family group chat right now. Damn, this looks good.
Okay. Not an issue.
That's a good one. Thank you.
Now for the last day, I've been taking photos and videos on this bad boy and absolutely loving it. I just can't get over how thin and light it is. Even with the bumper case, I just love wearing it wrapped around me like this. It's so easy, especially because now I'm able to be hands-free walking around. It's great when I'm in the store shopping, when I'm walking around on the beach or anything, and I can just quickly take it to take photos and videos easily. It also feels a lot more safe having it wrapped on me like this, so big plus. If you decide to get the Air, you need to get this crossbody strap. Now, I'm very impressed with the photo and video capabilities, especially on the selfie camera. We get the new 18 megapixel selfie camera. I absolutely love that I can easily change it from horizontal to vertical. Very quick and easy, and yeah, I'm just taking so many more vertical shots, and the quality just looks chef's kiss. Now, the one thing I do miss is the 0.5 lens along with cinematic video, because I'm always doing cinematic video. It just makes my shots look a lot more dynamic and higher quality. So that is a downfall, but hey, as a daily device, this is pretty darn good. Now the photos are great. Even when I go to 2x zoom, I feel like I get really sharp photos that I love it and would easily share. I think the low light photo performance could be improved a little bit, but the videos in low light are looking great. What did you guys think about the camera quality? Which photos were your favorite and which were so-so? Now, I do have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and these cameras are heavy hitters. Like, the camera is just too good. However, I love how thin and light this is, like I said, so maybe I'll be rocking both. I don't know, depending what I'm doing. I'm kind of torn. However, if you guys want a camera comparison between the 17 Pro Max and the iPhone Air, let me know down below in the comments. And I also feel like I should create a day in the life video only using this device, because there's a lot to unpack here. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!